In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply in thread on Slack. Threads keep conversations tidy by moving side discussions out of the main channel while still linking everything back to the original message. Let's walk through it from scratch. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website to open it. If you already have the Slack desktop or mobile app installed and signed in, you can open that instead. The steps are the same once you're in Slack. Once Slack loads, open the place where the conversation is happening. This could be a channel, like a team or project space, or a direct message with one person or a small group. Channels are great for topics shared by many people, and threads in channels help prevent the main discussion from getting overwhelmed. Direct messages also support threads, which can be helpful for clarifying a specific point without sending a long string of separate messages. Next, look through the conversation and choose the exact message you want to respond to in a thread. This is important because the thread will attach your reply to that specific message, keeping context clear for everyone who views it later. Hover your mouse over that message. A small toolbar will appear on the right side. Click the speech bubble icon labeled Reply in Thread. When you do, a thread panel opens, usually on the right of your screen. You'll see the original message at the top and any existing replies below it, so you can get the full context before you add your thoughts. Replies in a thread don't clutter the main channel view, but they remain linked to the original message so others can follow along. In the reply box at the bottom of the thread, type your message. You can use formatting, add emojis, or mention teammates with the @ symbol to notify specific people. If you want broader visibility, look for the option to also send your reply to the main channel. Otherwise, keep it in the thread. When you're ready, press Enter to send. That's it. You opened Slack, navigated to a conversation, selected a message, clicked Reply in Thread, typed your response, and sent it. With this simple workflow, your channels stay organized, and discussions remain easy to follow. Give it a try the next time you need to respond to a specific message.